Hey everyone, it's Steven here. Listen, we all want to find ways to make extra cash, right? And who wouldn't love to do it online on their own time? Today, I'm diving into a strategy that combines the power of Google Trends, a killer AI tool called Factfluence, and a few other tricks to potentially put $100 even more back in your pocket. Let's get right to it. First things first, we need to figure out what people are actually interested in reading. That's where Google News comes in. It's like looking over the shoulder of the entire internet, seeing what's buzzing. Go to Google News and start scrolling through the headlines. What are the big stories everyone's talking about? Is it a celebrity scandal? A new tech gadget? A bizarre world event? Jot down a few of the most attention-grabbing topics. Remember, we're looking for topics that are trending. Why? Because we're going to capitalize on that short window of peak interest. Think about it. When a news story breaks, everyone rushes to learn more. That's where we come in, with engaging, well-written content that feeds that hunger for information. Trust me, this is how you stay ahead of the curve and maximize your earning potential. Okay, so you've got your hot topic. Now what? This is where Factfluence AI comes in and changes the game. This tool is a game changer for creating high-quality, engaging content, fast. Seriously, forget spending hours agonizing over the perfect words. Factfluence does the heavy lifting for you. Think of Factfluence as your personal writing assistant, always ready to pump out captivating content. You feed it the topic you found on Google News, maybe give it a few keywords to focus on, and boom, it generates a well-written, informative piece that's ready to grab attention. And the best part? It's all original. No plagiarism worries here. Factfluence ensures your content is unique and engaging, which is exactly what we need for this strategy. Now it's time to turn that awesome content into cold, hard cash, and Listverse is where we're headed. For those who don't know, Listverse is a popular website that pays writers, yes, pays you, for interesting, unique list-based articles. Think top 10 most shocking discoveries or 5 bizarre foods you won't believe people eat. You get the idea? Submitting to Listverse is straightforward. Create an account. It's free. Head over to their submission guidelines and follow them closely. They're looking for well-written, well-researched, and most importantly, list articles. This is where that content you generated with Factfluence comes in. Polish it up, make sure it fits Listverse's style, and hit that submit button. Now here's the exciting part. Listverse pays $100 per accepted article. That's right, one single article can put $100 in your pocket. And the best part is, you can scale this up. The more quality articles you write, the more potential you have to earn. We're always looking for ways to maximize earnings, right? Well, get ready for a game-changer Shrink Me. This nifty tool isn't just about shortening your URLs, it's about turning those links into money-making opportunities. Here's how it works. You paste your long, clunky URL into Shrink Me, and it spits out a much shorter, neater link. But here's the magic. When someone clicks on your shortened Shrink Me link, they see a quick ad before being redirected to your content. And guess what? You get paid for every single click. It's like passive income on autopilot. So once you've got your Listverse article up, grab that URL, shrink it with Shrink Me, and share it everywhere. The more people click, the more you earn. While we're all about getting paid up front, building a long-term online presence is key. That's where Medium comes in. This platform is perfect for sharing your writing, connecting with a wider audience, and establishing yourself as a thought leader in your niche. Once your Listverse article is live and raking in those clicks from Shrink Me, repurpose it for Medium. Don't just copy and paste. Adapt it for Medium's format, add in some personal insights, maybe expand on a few points. Remember, Medium is all about high-quality, engaging content, so make sure your writing shines. Now, let's amplify your reach and drive even more traffic to your content. We're talking about the power of visuals, and Imgur is our secret weapon. Imgur is a popular image-sharing platform, perfect for getting your content in front of a massive audience. Here's the strategy. Create an eye-catching image or infographic that relates to your Listverse article. It could be a shocking statistic, a funny meme, or a visually appealing summary of your topic. Once you've got your image, upload it to Imgur with a captivating title and description. And here's the crucial part. Include a link to your Listverse article in the image description. This way, when people come across your awesome image on Imgur, they can click through and read your full article, potentially earning you even more from those sweet, sweet shrink me clicks. This last one is a bonus, but it's where things can really take off. You've seen how to find trending topics, generate awesome content, and share it effectively. Guess what? These are valuable skills that people will pay for. Think about it. Businesses are constantly searching for engaging content. Why not be the one to provide it? Create a profile on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, showcasing your newfound content creation skills. Offer services like viral list article writer or engaging content creator for your niche. Set your rates, find clients, and boom, you've got yourself a side hustle. So there you have it. Your roadmap to potentially making $100 or more, all from the comfort of your own home. Remember, this strategy is all about taking action. Don't just watch this video, put these steps into practice. For a more detailed breakdown, check out the link in the description. You'll find everything from recommended tools to additional tips and tricks. And hey, while you're down there, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more money-making strategies just like this one. The online world is full of opportunities, and I'm here to help you seize them. Now go out there and start creating your own success story.